Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We still have some wind out there. It's going to be decreasing as we head into the evening hours, setting up the stage with fresh areas of snow for some near record cold overnight. Now, that's one thing we're watching, but we have a whole list of them here for you, making this full screen. So the record cold potential on Wednesday, we'll go over that. Thursday, snow begins late. Some of us will get a mix. There could be some freezing drizzle with that system as it works through. The main event comes on Friday that will have impacts regionally and mainly in our southern counties. We'll point that out. Next week, we're watching a storm system that impacts that first full week of April. I wish it wasn't April Fool's, but it's not. And our stretch of cooler than 40-degree weather continues. Here's a look. Northwest winds tapering off this evening. Temperatures slipping down into the skinny single digits as we head to bed tonight. Some of us already below zero. But with the calming wind and the clear skies and the areas of fresh snow, check out how low we go. Many of us below zero. Now, areas that did get the 3 to 5 inches of snow, including the FM area, will have a better chance at seeing temperatures dip and dive down to near records. Records this time of the year, middle teens below, 15 and 16 below. I think Fargo has a better chance at breaking its record or tying it in the morning, thanks to the fact that we did get close to 3 inches of that flaky goodness here in the Southern Valley. We'll keep you posted on that. Then tomorrow the sun shines. The wind begins to pick up. Now, midday temperatures won't be too warm for a picnic out there, but certainly temperatures will be on the up and up. We'll be back to near 20 to 25 for a few as we close out the day. Again, cooling off fairly quickly at night. Now, I'll look at your current conditions. 15 at Hector. It feels like 3, and it's breezy and chilly. Temperatures elsewhere, 19 Baudette, 18 Roseau, Thief River Falls at 14. Jamestown, you have 13 degrees, and it's 12s for Lakes Country in the Detroit Lakes area, as well as Fergus Falls. Look at the size of this spinner out on the Pacific Ocean out there off the coast of California. That system is going to really spawn a couple of waves of wintry weather. Thursday, it begins here with some light snow late, a mixed amount of precipitation with some freezing drizzle possible. Friday, the main event makes its way through. There will be travel impacts on Friday. So here's a look at Thursday evening, those flakes making their way in. Then there's that mixed precipitation overnight with a brief band of heavier snow. That'll dump some snow accumulation in our northern counties. Then the main event shifts down to the south for Friday. Keep that in mind. Many of us won't see too many impacts other than the wind and the blowing snow throughout our Friday, but it will make travel very tricky. Check this out as we go into Friday between Fargo and, say, Watertown, and between Fargo and the Twin Cities. And that's why those are first alert weather days. And our southern counties could get some significant snow. But as far as Thursday goes, by Thursday night, fluffy, powdery snow that'll blow around, light icing down south. That's the main impacts. Friday, well, there could be some track changes here. There's some uncertainty. So we're just looking at areas of risk of 4 inches or more. Our southern and southeast counties will have that. Here's the next week system. 1 week from today, Tuesday night, snow, rain, and sleet makes its way through. This Colorado low will take a couple of days to get through Tuesday and into Wednesday with gusty northwest winds. This one is a big enough storm system to impact a huge area. The track certainly could change, and we'll keep you posted right here. But we're giving you that first alert now that more winter is on the way. Thursday and Friday, first alert weather days beginning late Thursday, impacting many more in the south and southeast on Friday. A little quieter for the weekend. Sunday, we just might. I don't think we will. 39 is going to be the high. We're not hitting 40. And if we don't, it might be mid-April before we do. There's your first alert weather days for Tuesday and Wednesday. All in all, nah, I'm not even going to say it. All in all, there's your forecast.
It might be mid-April till we see a 40. Oh, how'd you killing us. Still ahead on Valley News Live at 6. It's Child Life Month. We'll introduce you to hospital staff who specialize in making kids and their families' lives a little easier.